65 here. Today we're playing some Minecraft with Herobrine. It's not actually Herobrine, as you would know. It's just my brother. And yeah, we're gonna do a base challenge. This is the basic, this is the start of mine. We got 20 minutes to build a base, and yeah. Whoever, we have to break into each other's bases and get the things. What do you think the prize should be? The other person, we own the other person's base?
Nah.
No, what's the prize if you win?
I reckon maybe you get 68 diamonds in survival for free.
Yeah, well, what does that do?
Oh.
Exactly.
Oh, we get... Alright, we own the other space.
Okay, so you heard it from him himself. He tries to go back on his word. Put it in the comments. Look, you said it. You said. Okay, so now we're gonna start the timer. Google timer. $20 minutes. Most secure base we've got. Oh gosh, it's lagging. It's lagging. Normally I do it on my Garmin, but it didn't work. My Garmin ain't working right now. How do I do this? Stuff it. Can you do it on your computer?
The timer?
Yeah. Hey, why are you building your base already? I just took a look at his screen. He's already building his base. Put it in the comments if you think he's a cheater. And then a million people put he's a cheater in the comments. Yeah. Alright.
The timer is on.
Alright. So our 20 seconds starts now.
20 seconds?
Sorry, 20 minutes. Oh, I just found a ravine right near my base.
Oh yeah, I accidentally broke some things. Broke one thing.
I know, the same happened here, except this was in the foundations of my base. German soldier down there. Yes, we have a World War II add-on on, guys. I'm placing this down because I like the look of it. Marco, no bedrock or obsidian, only to put on a platform or whatever.
Why would I? That stuff looks horrible. I don't really like crying obsidian.
Yeah, well, you can't use it to
stop people, just for decoration.
Yeah. Not the floor either.
You have it for the floor?
No, I don't. Look.
Oh.
If you're not blind, you'll see. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm putting this down for a podium, you know?
Guys, just so you know, sometimes I really wish I had a voice changer.
So no one knows his voice.
But
Because he's a criminal.
you know what? I have no idea what I'm saying right now. I just entirely forgot what I said. Guys, can you remind me in the comments what I said, please? I accidentally pressed the wrong button. Oh my goodness! So many wrong buttons! There we go.
Alright, I've got my podium, I've got my little podium thingy. Now it's time to actually build the base. So, let's put some more of this stuff down. We're gonna make it look like a really awesome base. Don't mind the ravine behind it. We are going to put down some iron fences. Gotta get some barbed wire as well. Guys, I've used this mod before, so don't worry. I've used all the mods installed on this world. So these fences and stuff, like the stuff I'm placing down now is actually is mods. All that stuff is real. Marco, they're totems of undying. You can use one for the final battle if you want.
Oh my god. You can use a walkie-talkie as a totem of undying. That's just wrong.
I know, but that's what it is.
How do you spell land as a landmine?
Marco.
Land?
Yeah, exactly.
Ooh, lots of landmines.
There's not many, bro. I don't think there's many, at least. Oh, I gotta change the thingo to day again soon. Now I'm doing just a hasty thing. In my if you guys go check out my Battle for Ryan City videos, you can see that I did a much more intricate base. I built almost everything on that world. Well, no, that's not true. I downloaded the map, but I built like all the bases and stuff. Except
not true. I built one as well.
He built one.
Alright. I was placing landmines around the block break landmines and they just exploded.
Oh no, that's not good.
Randomly.
That is not good for you.
Man,
why would you do block break? Why would you do the normal landmines?
Block break, I said.
Oh god, that's not good.
Because I killed you instead of the box. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm the opposite way.
If you step on them in survival, they'll activate.
Oh, really?
Yeah. By the way, guys, we'll get a special kit for this. We'll get a special kit for this stuff. Like we get a special kit to break into the other person's base. But guys, we're never ever gonna video edit. Do you know why? There's two reasons. One is that we actually don't have the right software and stuff, I don't think. And two is that we it kind of feels like it's made up, if it's video edited. So we do the whole thing unedited.
And I have a video editor.
True.
Sometimes I edit some of my videos. That's how I made the Untold Tale of Timothy MP4. What? MPV4 or MP4? MP.
I don't, Marco. No one cares about your videos. This is my channel.
Dude, don't say no one cares. People care.
I'm sorry. Don't hurt me.
I probably will later.
Oh my gosh, this base is so basic. But the problem is, I can't do anything else. I can't put soldiers in there because trigger the mines. These ones don't explode. So
well,
I think
they do, but they don't. They kill the person, but they don't break any blocks.
Yeah, they don't. Yeah.
They're non-block break.
They know. Okay. They know. They get it.
How do you know they did?
Because I told them.
Hey
No,
guys,
just stop.
subscribe to Super Golfer, alright?
Yeah, that's true. He's a good YouTuber. He's weird, but is good.
Have you subscribed yet? Do it. Have you subscribed? Do it.
Oh God, how much time do we have left? Oh God, 12 minutes. I better get a move on. You're just doing a few layers.
I'm starting 2 layers of chain.
Lodestone. What?
Lodestone,
This
right?
is lodestone, Marco. Oh, this is really lodestone.
Lodestone?
Yes, this is really not the time to be exploring new things, but I'm just doing it for the sake of sakes.
What is that?
No idea. Anyway, so now we need to put the thing in the chest and add some more security. Now in this mod we actually have machine guns and rocket launchers and all that crap. But like in one of the 3 mods installed on this world, but we're not going to use them right now. Little nether star. Put a nether star in your chest, Marco.
Yeah, I will.
That's what we have to get, and we have to get back out of the base with it. Oh crud, 11 and a half minutes. What else can I add? What else to add? Oh, that's not good.
That's not good.
I broke some of my fence and barbed wire.
Oh, that is interesting.
No, Marco, it's gonna be really easy to fix. Let's see.
Right.
What else to do?
You're gonna read my book, okay? Otherwise, I won't it won't count.
I have an idea. No, you can't say that.
Well, you're gonna take it and read it.
No.
You're gonna take it.
Possibly, alright. Okay, so he has to jump now, unless he wants to dig underneath. Oh, I should do 2 layers. By the way, Marco, you can, like, I said you can't do any blocks that you can't break. You know? Like, we're not gonna have a diamond pickaxe, so no obsidian and stuff. Or crying obsidian for the floors. Because I don't know. Can you guys let me know in the comments? I'm actually a total noob. I don't know if you can, what crying obsidian does. Is it crying or weeping? Well, you can't tell. No one's gonna watch this video, are they? Marco?
Maybe.
I don't think. Hardly anyone watches my videos. It's so sad. Let's go. Let's go, lads. Sorry, I totally stole that off typical gamer in Samara Redway. Samara Redway. That's so hard to say when you're saying it, like when you're tired.
Samara Redway. Say Samara Redway 7 times without messing up.
No, man. Stop. Stop it! Da 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 da. Alright, now that's good. He's gonna have to jump to get in here. Right. What else can I do to make this more secure? How much time do we have left? Oh god! 8.5 minutes. Jeez, this is gonna be this is like a fairly long video. This is gonna be a fairly long video. Hey zombie. Yeah, you. Die. No, you didn't die, mate. Die already. Finally. 15-minute video. Far out. Oh. We will be doing Fortnite videos soon, and we do actually have a map. If you guys have Fortnite, my cousin and I are working on a map. We'll soon have a creator code out, so please support the creator when the creator code when it comes out. Yeah. Okay, what else to do? How much time do we have left? We've got 7 minutes. What else? We got some lodestone there. My base is pretty good. How's yours looking? Oh no. Oh, you're doing an angry like then. Oh, you don't have a book in it yet. Oh, it's raining. Hang on, let me change that. What to do? Oh no! No! Zombie went near my Oh no, God, no! A zombie went near my dudes, my mines. Oh, I guess I'm just gonna put a soldier in there now, cause I can't be I don't want mines anymore, even though they're gonna be good. German soldiers can shoot through the fence. Hang on, I'm just gonna put a bunch of dudes down, so they all explode, so all the mines explode. Okay, now let's put like 1,000,000 soldiers down. Okay, just wow. That's gonna be tough. Alright. So I think I'm done. How much time do we have left? I don't think there's something else to do. There's 5.5 minutes left. Jesus, this is gonna be a long video. Nom 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 nom.
I'm going to have non-moving guards.
Statues.
Of course.
Look, Marco, look on my screen. Where did my stuff go? Marco, look on my screen. Where did my stuff go? Marco, where did my stuff go? Marco, where did my stuff go? On my screen, look on my screen. Where did my stuff go?
You press F1.
How'd you know?
Because I can do that I did that on Java edition when I had Windows 7. Guys, now I have Windows 10 because Dad just updated it yesterday, and oh my goodness, I remember that wallpaper. It's creeping me out. Since the time I said it, it's just creeping me out.
Then
like
get rid of it.
No, I like it, but it's creeping me out.
Okay, so go back to your base. Oh my gosh, you just put 1,000,000 in these things. You know how to shoot them, right?
1,000,000 what?
Of those turrets.
Turrets?
Sorry, not turrets, the thingos. We're gonna be building a base. We're gonna be doing another challenge in the desert here at some point. Seeing who can survive the longest, and like we'll build a base, 2 bases once again, but who can survive the longest, like in your base.
You know what? I'm gonna put a money safe in mine.
What, you gonna put gold pieces in there from this add-on? Hang on. Oh, that's a great idea, actually. I'm gonna do that as well. I'm gonna put gold pieces in my thingo.
And the filing cabinet. There's
There's filing cabinets?
Yeah, what wouldn't there be?
I don't. Oh, flavor. What? Isn't that a bookshelf?
No, it's in shulker boxes. Chocolate boxes.
Filing. No way, I didn't see that.
It's because it's in chocolate boxes. Same with the money safe.
Oh, no way, that's awesome.
Right,
I'll
now
have to
I'm
add
gonna
that.
get the reward in my chest. Oh, plant pot. What?
Gosh, that's actually really cool. Oh, no way. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do this. Wait, where's Shulkers? Little. Whoa. Whoa.
It's an item.
Okay, thank you. Guys, I'm sorry I am such a big noob.
2 minutes and 15 seconds and counting.
Oh my god! Time goes so fast. Ah! Da 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 da
Hey
da da
Luca,
da
what do you
da
reckon
da
next
da.
video we trash a trailer?
What do you mean?
We watch a trailer and then trash it. You
Trash
know
it?
how like the reacts to trailers?
Oh yeah. That sort of stuff. Okay, nice. I
Trash
didn't know
trailers.
that.
Okay, we trash it.
Okay, so I got a million soldiers. I got magma. I got my chest. I got a wall. What else? I can't do impenetrable blocks. It's against the rules. Oh come on! Oh my god! What to do?
1 minute and 3 seconds.
Oh no! Oh no! Why are there so many of the dead people's things? Where'd they all go? Come on! No. Um. Ah! Sorry. Someone just came in and I was like, I'm doing a video. I'm in my crab hidey hole doing a
14
video.
seconds.
Ah! Oh god, I got nothing else. Okay, I'm done. I've been done for ages. Oh gosh. Your base is just a mess as always. So
Hey!
oh whoops, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh!
I'm so sorry. You can keep going. You can. Oh no, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't know. I'm so
What did
sorry.
you do?
I'm so sorry.
What did you do though?
This. I landed on a pressure plate. I'm so sorry. I didn't
Turn off the
know.
video. We have to restart it.
Nah, man. Okay. So guys, obviously, okay. I'm sorry. I blew up his base. That was a fail. Do the outro with me. We're just gonna do another video with. We're gonna try and build a base each, and like to survive from the zombies and stuff. But thanks for doing this video with us, guys. This has been really fun. Like yeah, like he says. Bye. So yeah, thanks, guys. See ya. Hey, you can say bye to them.
Bye bye!
Bye.